Hello guys, welcome if you're new here, and if you're an old timer, welcome back. In this video we'll be talking about how to use POSTINOR 2. So before we move on, if you've not subscribed to this channel, why not please subscribe, give us a like, share the video and spread the word to others. So basically this drug is an emergency contraceptive pill which is used to prevent pregnancy, especially after unprotected sexual intercourse. Now, this drug has been abused by many ladies or a lot of people who are sexually active because they basically don't have a full knowledge of how it works or its side effects. So this drug is mostly effective when taken within 72 hours after unprotected sexual intercourse, but it is very effective when you take it sooner after having that sex. For example, if you take it immediately or within the first 24 hours, there's a 92% chance that pregnancy will be prevented. However, if you wait for after 24 hours or between 48 and 72 hours, that chance is reduced by 58%. So the drug works actually by preventing ovulation and fertilization, but it will never work for you if you are already pregnant. And also, here's a disclaimer please, this drug cannot prevent you from having diseases like HIV, syphilis, gonorrhea, in fact all sexually transmitted diseases. So if you want to prevent them, why not have sex, let's say with a condom or protective measures? I don't know which of them you use, but just use some protective measures to prevent yourself from having STIs. This is how the drug actually comes. It comes in 2 pills. So the first pill is to be used immediately or when you've decided, let's say within that 24 hours after taking the first pill. You now take the second pill after 12 hours. Please learn to adhere to it. Let's say you just take the first pill now, you wait for 12 hours, then take the second pill. However, some POSTINORs come with only 1 pill. For a POSTINOR that comes with 1 pill, you take the pill only once and that's it. And please don't abuse this drug, okay, because it can cause a lot of problems for you, especially you might be able to miss your periods, and that's the reason. So the general rule of thumb here is to use it once in your menstrual cycle. That means if you are a sexually active person, I don't know what to tell you, but just make sure you use it at least once in a month, not more than once, okay. Its side effects could be nausea, it could be vomiting and also spotting. Now, as for vomiting, when you take this drug and you vomit the drug, let's say within or after 3 hours, I please beg you to take the drug again. Or if you are still cautious, why not go to your O&G doctor to get the real prescription or to get further instructions. So this video is actually meant to be short. Thank you for giving me your listening ears. Why not please subscribe, like the video again, and put your thoughts down in the comment section as we produce new videos for you. Thank you very much.